Hello and welcome to this session of the Xorosoft Xoro 1 ERP training. In this session here, we are going to look at the short inventory planner and how it is used within Xorosoft for planning. So what the short inventory planner does is it pretty much takes all of your supply and demand within the system and lets you know if you need to order or not. It takes the available inventory, all your inventory on sales order, any inventory on purchase order. It tells you what you're short and what you need to order. There are several other columns here that you can add to this short inventory planner, which I recommend. I usually add item description. Sometimes you can add the unit cost, on hand, not available, maybe one in receiving, sales order draft, because sometimes some of the sales reps may have sales orders that they haven't released yet, but they're in the works, so you want to maybe take a look at that and count it. Available to ship or sell, including PO, net available, and MO positive there. So those are the ones that I would recommend. If you guys do forecasting, you could put your forecast sales quantity in there as well. But again, this is all depending upon your industry and what you would do. But there is a lot of available columns here to select. And once you select the ones that you would like, you click Save in order to maintain those columns. So for me, what I do is inventory on hand is everything that's on the books. Your not available is everything that is unavailable to sell or ship. It could be damaged. It could be just returns that haven't been gone through yet. And then you have your available, that's 20 here. On the SO, you have 246. And if you click on this here, it will actually tell you all of the sales orders here and the quantities. Again, these are all manufactured items, so how much to produce, the dates, and whatnot here. So from within here, you could actually go ahead and generate your manufacturing orders that are linked to the sales order, but that is for another video. So here, it basically tells you how much you need to order or produce for each of these items here. Here's your available forecast. I don't think there's any forecast in the system in our test company here, but it does take that into account. Along the top here as well, you can include reorder points, which is like reorder quantity and reorder value. So what this does is once your inventory hits to a certain level, it will trigger you to order the specific amount that you set as your reorder point and order point quantity. So if you want to use those values to take that into account, then you would slide that on. Here you can slide this do not show sufficient items, so this is only going to show you the items that are short, or if you just want to see everything, you can see everything here. You can also take all of this data, click on the button here, and you can either export all or export what you have here into a CSV, a text, Word, Excel, PDF. I always generally export to a CSV, and then I can use the data, manipulate it, and do pivot tables if I want, just to kind of get a sense. You can also pick specific stores. You can pick just purchasable items or manufacturable items, or if you want, you can create your own specific query here, and you can save your query as well to reuse at another time. So again, short inventory planner helps you look at everything that is needed to order, and if, for example, you do need to order or place manufacturing order, you can actually go and select. Let's just select these ones here. You can select these various ones, and then you can go create a new PO. So what it will do is it will select the one that you want. It will create a new PO for this quantity here, which you do have the option to change however you like, or if you want to just use one, it's completely up to you to place the order. Some I know would like to order more than what's required because, say, perhaps you see, here's a draft here of 25, which does not take it into account. So you're like, okay, let's bump that up a bit more so that it takes this SO on draft into account. So again, the to order takes the on hand minus the not available minus the on SO, adds whatever is on PO, and lets you know if you are short or how much you need to order. That is your short inventory planner. Thank you.